बीआरएस पार्टी के रुकने काउंसिल कविता ने कहा कि तेलंगाना तरक्की का मॉडल हिंदुस्तान की रियासतों को एक नई सिमत दिया है। चीफ मिनिस्टर चंद्रशेखर राव की क़यादत में तेलंगाना ने मुख्तसर वक्त में बहुत तेज़ी से तरक्की की है और उसने जामे तरक्की हासिल की है। उन्होंने कहा कि चीफ मिनिस्टर केसीआर इंतजामिया में इंसानी हमदर्दी के पहलू को मुतारिफ करा रहे हैं। चीफ मिनिस्टर को अभिनव चाणक्य से ताबीर किया जा रहा है। ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी यूके में एक कविता का कलीदी लेक्चर एक्सप्लोरिंग इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट दी तेलंगाना मॉडल पर उन्होंने बात की।
That we are able to continue the legacy of both that enlightenment and that innovation that our luminaries have given us. I just hope we can walk on their path and make them proud. And when we think about the luminaries from India, we cannot but ignore Chanakya. His policies, his theory is known as Chanakya Niti, who spoke of governance for the welfare of the people and society. Sometimes it's used in a negative connotation, but when taken in a right sense, it speaks about the welfare of the people and society. And especially his Ardhashastra, that provides timeless insights into the responsibilities of a statesman, a guidepost, I think, that echoes in the visionary leadership of our Telangana Chief Minister, K. Chandrasekhar Rao also. We call him KCR very fondly. So here on, I'll refer to him as KCR. Although the state was formed in 2014 in June 2nd, it was a 5-decade-long fight. In 2001, Honorable KCR had given a proposal to the people of Telangana that why don't we fight in a very peaceful but a political battle to make sure the statehood is achieved. People have blessed him, people have stood with him, and we fought under his leadership from 2001.